Hello students, today we are going to continue chapter number 9, direct and inverse variation of class 8th mathematics. In this video, we will continue exercise number 9.1. In the previous video, we have completed the questions up to 1 to 15. Now in this video, we will start from the question number 16. A dozen cartons hold 300 juice bottles. How many bottles will be there in 30 such cartons? Now, we know that 1 dozen equals to 12 pieces. Now, the number of juice bottle in 1 dozen cartons will be equals to 300. Now, the number of juice bottles in 1 carton, that will be 300 divided by 12. It means the total number of juice bottle in 30 such cartoon equals to 300 divided by 12 multiply 30. Now you have to divide this number. You will get 25 into 30. Now you will multiply 25 and 30. You will get 750 juice bottles. Now question number 17. 216 apples can be packed into 18 boxes. How many boxes will be needed for 240 apples? Now let the number of apples in each box be x. So 18 multiply x will be equals to 216 apples. Now x equals to 216 divided by 18. Now when you will divide this, you will get 12. So the 12 apples. Now let the number of boxes needed for 240 apples be n. Now we will consider for the 240 apples, that is n. So n multiplied by 12 equals to 240. Now n equals to 240 by 12, and we know 12 to the 24. It means n equals to 20. So 20 boxes will be needed for 240 apples. This will be the answer. Now question number 18. The speed of car is 40 km per hour. How far will it travel in 108 minutes? Let the distance traveled by car per minute be d. Now 60 multiplied d equals to 40. Now d will be equals to 40 by 60. Now the distance traveled by car in 108 minute will be, so 108 multiplied by d. Now 108 in the place of d we will put 40 divided by 60. Now you have to solve this and then you will get the answer, that is 72 in kilometer. Now question number 19. A train travels 90 km in an hour. How long will it take to cover 318 km? Now let the time taken to travel 1 km be t. So 90 multiplied t equals to 1 hour. In 1 hour, how many minutes are there? That is 60. So in place of 1 hour we will write 60. Now t will be equals to 60 by 90. It means when you will divide by 0 cancel, and we know 6 and 9 both are divisible by 3, it means 2 by 3. Now the time taken to travel 318 km will be 318 into time. Now in place of t we have to put 2 by 3. Now you have to solve this, then you will get your answer, that is 212 minutes. Now question number 20. The weight of 57 boxes is 102.6 kilogram. How many boxes of the same kind will weigh 127.8 kilogram? Now let the weight of each boxes will be w. Now 57 multiplied w equals to 102.6 in kilogram. Now w will be equals to 102.6 divided by 57. Now when you will divide this, you will get 1.8. Now this will be in kilogram because this is the weight. Now the number of boxes that weighs 127.8 kilogram. So we have to divide 127.8 by this answer, that is 1.8. Now you have to solve this and then you will get the answer, that is 71. These are the number of boxes of the same kind will weigh 127.8 kilogram. Now question number 21, the cost of 38 meter of cloth is rupees 817. How much cloth of the same kind can be purchased for rupees 580.50? Now let the cost of 1 meter cloth be x. So 38 multiply x equals to 817. Now x equals to 817 divided by 37. Now when you will divide, you will get 21.5. Now the length of cloth that can be purchased in rupees 580.50 be L. So the L equals to 580.50 divided by this number, that is 21.5. Now you have to divide these quantities, then you will get 27 in meter. So 27 meter cloth of the same kind can be purchased for rupees 580.50. Now question number 22. A car travels 132 km on 11 liters of petrol. How far will it travel on 16.5 liters of petrol? Now let the distance traveled in 1 liter petrol be d. So 11 multiplied d equals to 132 km. So d will be equals to 132 by 11. When you will divide this, you will get 12. Now the distance that car travel in 16.5 liters of petrol, that is 16.5 multiplied d. Now the value of d is 12. So 16.5 multiplied by 12. When you will multiply that, you will get 198 in kilometers. Now question number 23. On a bookshelf, 302 copies of a book require 9.06 meter length of space. How many copies of the same book will fit into 6.48 meter of length? Now let the space occupied by one book be x. So 302 multiplied by x equals to 9.06 meter. Now you have to divide them, then you will get the value of x, that is 0.03. Now you have to divide these quantity for the given value, that is 6.48, and then after dividing you will get 216 books. Now question number 24. The cost of 38 tables is rupees 7,999. What will be the cost of 52 tables? So we will find out the cost of one table. So 38 multiply x equals to 7,999. So x equals to 7,999 divided by 38. Now you have to divide them, then you will get the value 210.5. Now we have to find out the cost of 52 tables. So you have to multiply 52 and 210.5. When you will multiply them, you will get 10,946. This will be the answer. Now question number 25. The speed of a bus is 45 km per hour. Find the distance covered in 110 minutes. Now the speed of bus is 45 km per hour. Now in 1 hour we know how many minutes are there, 60 minutes. So 60 minute distance it covers 45 km. So we have to find out the distance covered in 1 minute, that will be d. So 45 by 60, it means 3 by 4. You can cut them with the table of 15. Now the distance covered in 110 minute will be 110 multiplied by 3 by 4, that is 82.5 kilometer. This is the answer of first part. Now to find out the time taken to cover 150 kilometer, that will be 45 into t equals to 150. Now 150 will be divided by 45. Now you have to divide them. After dividing, the value will be 3.33. That will be the time taken to cover 150 kilometer. Now question number 26. The simple interest on a certain sum of money in 5 years is rupees 800. Find the simple interest in 11 years on the same sum at the same rate of interest. Now let the simple interest in 1 year be x. So 5x equals to 800. Now x equals to 800 divided by 5. Now you have to divide them. Then you will get the value of x, that is 160. Now the simple interest in 11 years will be, so you have to multiply with the 11. So 160 multiplied by 11, it means 1760 rupees. Now question number 27. The simple interest on a certain sum of money is rupees 360 in 2 years. In how many years will be interest be rupees 1800? Now let x be the simple interest on money in 1 year. So 2 multiply x equals to 360. Now x equals to 360 divided by 2. It means 180. Now let the years be y, in which simple interest will be rupees 1800. So y multiply 180 equals to 1800. So y equals to 1800 divided by 180. This 0 will be cancelled out. When you will divide, you will get 10. So y equals to 10 years. Now question number 28. The scale on the map is 1 centimeter is to 50 kilometer. If two places on the map are 15 centimeter apart, what is the actual distance between them? So 1 centimeter equals to 50 kilometer. Now for the given value, now so if two places are 15 centimeter apart, the distance between them will be 15 multiplied by 50, that is 750 kilometer. For the 50, that will be 750 kilometer. Here we have completed exercise number 9.1. Now in the next video we will going to start exercise number 9.2. Till that you have to practice all the questions very well. Thank you and have a nice day.